Hey everybody, thank you for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect in Ocean Springs. We have a 2014 Audi Q5 Premium Plus, 68,000 miles only on it, just serviced, drives really good. Well kept car, very clean inside and out. Do a walk around. Body's in really good shape for the year. Interior is very clean and great shape as well. A little bit of scuff here on the front, a couple scratches on the front bumper cover there, but besides that, she's really clean. Take a look here. Nice leather, panoramic roof. Check out. Seats are in excellent condition. Has heated seats, Bluetooth, 68,838 miles. If this is something you might be interested in, please give us a call at 228-438-2056. You can give us a text too to set up a time to come check it out. You can also check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you need any work done and you're in the Mississippi Gulf Coast area, give us a holler. We work on Audi, Volkswagen, and Porsche. Thanks for checking out our video.